as close to my bird as possible so we will show only one image on that tower radar, will you?
Dom, I'll be 2 inches off your tail.
And watch my wake turbulence or we'll have more than a radar overhaul, you understand? All right. Tower, this is 4-4 Charlie. I'm 5 miles out. Request a Lockheed approach to Santini Air. Over.
4-4 Charlie, you are cleared to land. The wind is from the northeast, 10 knots. Use runway 4, over and out.
Checking out heat sources. There's not a soul in sight, Dominic. Secure, Dom. I'm beat. How about we get something to eat before we start work?
Sure thing. See you out front.